Hello, this is Raihan. Today I'm going to launch a new course which is Adobe Photoshop. You know to that as a web developer or designer or any office you work with them. This course basic to advanced. Okay, let's know to that. This class is completely introduce. Photoshop is a powerful and widely used graphics editing. It's great software developed by Adobe Inc. It is part of Adobe Creative, which includes various other creative software applications. Adobe Photoshop is primarily designed and professionally photographer, graphics designer and web developer, but it is also widely used by any company for various creative projects. This is introduced video, so that I introduce to you some tools. Actually, what kind of project you can do with this Photoshop? You can do image editing, graphic design, layer based editing and text editing, digital printing, photo manipulation, 3D modeling and batch processing. So many things you can do with this Photoshop. Photoshop has become the industry started for a digital image editing and graphics design and is widely used in various fields including Photoshop advancing, web design, multimedia production. So you imagine that how many places and how many work is possible by this software. But you need to know Photoshop has various versions and various model. But every version and every Photoshop is like a same. Particularly some tools is different and disadvantages. So if you have a knowledge any on Photoshop, you will do work every Photoshop. I'm optimistic if you complete my course, you getting lot of knowledge about Photoshop. I suggest you every video you doing and you must be practice yourself. Without practice, you can't achieve. Without practice, you can't do anything. So what kind of tool I share with you and I explain with you and I teach you, you practice yourself daily and you become a pro this Photoshop. So today is enough for video. See you the next video. Like, share and subscribe our channel and follow me. Have a good day.